Immediately after watching this video, you are going to start mining Bitcoin. I mean real Bitcoin. And guess what you need to start mining the Bitcoin? You simply need your smartphone to start mining real Bitcoin, and it's totally withdrawable once you meet the minimum threshold for withdrawal. Welcome to the video. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this video guys, I've decided to share with you guys my own strategy on how I mine real Bitcoin using simply my phone and internet connection. Okay, so if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please, on this channel I talk about crypto airdrop, I talk about strategies to earn cryptocurrency both paid and free, and I also talk about AI, how to utilize the AI to meet your daily needs. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, I welcome you, and please kindly consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. It means the whole world to me, and of course it keeps me motivated to make even more educational content just like this one that we are about to watch right now. So if you're watching this video up to this point, it means you want to start mining Bitcoin, right? So on this video, let me share with you this strategy that I use to mine real Bitcoin. And of course, if you watch the video till the end, trust me, you are going to be grateful you did, because I'm going to be showing you all you need to know on how you can be able to earn even 10 times faster. Okay, so right now, without wasting time guys, the link to the website I'm about to show you right now is right there on the video description box. So click on the link or check the comment section of this video to get the link to the website where I actually mine real Bitcoin. So we are talking about right here, we are talking about GoMining. All right, so I spoke about this particular platform a couple of weeks ago, and probably most, and this is me introducing it because I believe that a lot of you guys out there who have not yet heard about this particular update I'm about to give right now. So this is GoMining. They have their app right here on the App Store. You can check out the Play Store as well. This is Play Store. I've got the app installed right now. Let me use this website version to get in. So over here right now, you can actually sign up using maybe your email address, your Apple or your Facebook account, or you can go ahead to use your, you can use your email and then put password. Very simple and acceptable. So right now, for this case, I'm going to be using Google. I will select Google, and I will allow it to load up real quick. Now you will choose the Google account you want to use. I will be selecting this one. So allow it to load completely. All right, now allow it to load. They're going to be popping up they're going to be popping this up. In this my case, I already have an account, so they are going to take me into my own account. All right, but for you who is doing it for the first time, they are probably going to be asking you to maybe set up your name, your nickname and all that, and once you are done doing it, you are good to go. You are going to be brought in immediately. So as a first timer, they are going to be giving you free Bitcoin mining machine. You heard that right. That is what is going to be helping you to start earning Bitcoin immediately. But listen attentively, this is where it gets even more interesting. Now this is my bonus Bitcoin mining machine right here. You can see it down here. This is it, bonus miner. And of course, currently the power that it utilizes to mine Bitcoin for me personally is 0.1 terahash. Okay, so right now scrolling down a little bit, this is okay, this is my main Bitcoin mining machine. Now this is it. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I got this main Bitcoin mining machine. So this is it right here. This is the mining machine right here, the one that earns the most for me. And of course, this is the power, 18.8 terahash. Okay, now this is it right here. When I scroll down a little bit, like I said, as a new timer who you which you are, probably you are going to be getting this bonus miner, and this bonus miner will start earning Bitcoin for you immediately. It start earning Bitcoin for you immediately. Now this is it. We have this button right here. Simply click on this service button. It helps you to actually maintain your discount. Okay, once you click on it, allow it to roll up, and after that guys, it will start counting afresh. Okay, so right now guys, when I scroll down right here, you can see up right here, you can see this wallet button. Click on it, then select wallet. Let me show you guys my wallet and what I've got so far. So far this is what I've got right here, about 8.9 USDT. I started with absolutely nothing, and this is what I've gained so far from this particular project. So right now guys, as always, this is cryptocurrency. It is important for me to lay you guys the disclaimer that this video is not a financial advice. Nothing entirely on my channel is a financial advice. All right, so if you are approaching anything that has to do with finance, you should do a very deep research before you engage on it. But this platform right here that I'm talking about, you can check ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT about it, ask Grok, ask Google. Google recognize confirm this particular platform, so you can do your research before you decide to do whatever that you want to do. So here is another important part. Now coming over here right now, let me show you guys something right here real quick. Okay, I will come over here to referral program. So over here to referral program, this is where it gets even much more interesting. So far I have got about $2.7 from referral so far, and of course I have a total of about 87 people right here. This is 87 people right here as my referral. And of course right here, let me show you one good thing about referral. Now if you want to be getting in, you can use the referral code mechanic. Simply write mechanic in capital letter. That is your referral code, and using that referral code, it is actually a code that helps you to get a discount if you want to be making any purchase. And of course the codes allow you to get about 20% discount on any Bitcoin mining machine that you want to be getting for yourself. Okay, so this is it. This is what you benefit: 5% bonus on terahash on the first miner, $20 in terahash for the first $100 spent using card, and 1 month of platinum. That is very, very interesting. So simply use the invite code mechanic. Okay, so rather, let me show you guys one other thing. Now let me take you back to my machine. Okay, I'll go to my mining farm like this. This is my machine. So over here you can see we have this button saying upgrade. Okay, once you click on this upgrade button, they are going to be taking you to where you can basically upgrade or step up the power of your mining machine. And when you step up the power of your mining machine, you obviously earn bigger reward. Or you can decide to go to the Bitcoin mining machine market and of course do your purchase right there. For example, when you scroll down right here, click on this trade line, and of course you can see these are all the options so far. You can see GoMining right here. Let me click on it. I think this is where it is. So of course you need a pass key for these. Okay, so this is not what I'm looking for actually. So I'm looking for the market. Okay, because we have a market right here. Okay, of course this is the market right here. Okay, all this section right here are the markets, right? So I will click on miners. Okay, so over here this is where you get to actually make any purchase that you want if you want. All right, so but right here this offers different mining machine. Even after maybe you get yourself a mining machine, you can decide to sell it back. Okay, so you can decide to sell back your mining machine, of course get a reasonable percentage of what you used to buy that. So it's really easy right here, but as always, do your own research. That helps me. I'm saying this often because it helps me, because if I keep on saying all this without saying something like do your own research, YouTube is going to it's going to kind of try to do some funny stuff with my channel, which I don't want. So right now when I click on this trade line again, let me take it to my rewards. Okay, over here this is a kind of transaction receipt of how Bitcoin has been entering into my wallet. So this is it right here. This is it. I've got about 67 Satoshi, and I've got about, like, I keep on getting it every single day. The Bitcoin mining machine sends the reward to me. That is just how simple it is. Okay, so if you have any question about this platform, do not hesitate to ask me right there on the comment section. But remember what I said at the beginning of the video: after watching this video, you are going to start mining Bitcoin immediately. I know some of you may not have money to maybe upgrade your miner, but with the bonus miner you are going to start earning immediately. And after every 24 hours, they are going to be sending you a notification that your Bitcoin has landed in your wallet. Okay, so that is just how easy it is, guys. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'll be stopping right here. If you have any question, let me know. There's going to be an affiliate link right there on the video description box, and always remember to do your own research before you engage in any financial activity, because every financial activity has its own risk and every platform have their own policy and rules. All right, so bear all this in mind. All right, so I'm going to be stopping right here, guys. This is how you simply mine Bitcoin using your smartphone. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll be speaking to you guys on the next video that I'll be sharing very soon regarding how you can be able to make money online.